Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? Welcome back again to Gracefully Eut. As you can see here, I have watermelon juice, I have orange juice, and I have lemon juice and a bit of pineapple juice. And also on my train here, I have pineapple, frozen banana, watermelon, strawberries, apple, blueberry, and mango. So these are the fruits and juice I will be using basically for this popsicle recipe. Yes, we are making popsicle. You can choose to use any fruits of your choice. Stay tuned. Here I have my popsicle molds. I got this from Amazon. You can check it out on Amazon. It was really on affordable rate or price. So I have started blending of my fruits, and I'll just be adding it into my popsicle molds. Definitely you will make a mess, but you just have to clean that up. So I started with my apple. Yes, I started with my apple. I think I blended an apple, and now I added some of the apple puree into the popsicle molds, and the leftover I will be blending it with my frozen banana. You can use a fresh banana for this, but because I preserved this banana, and I have it available in my freezer, so right in I'm adding my apple and banana. I like to eat apples and bananas. I like to eat apples and bananas. You know that kids for song, right? You know the rhyme for kids. So after that, I will be blending my pineapple and then repeating the same thing. So I will just be making a mixture of these blended fruits together. You can choose to mix the fruits the way you know you like it, or your kids are gonna like it. If you're used to this channel, or you've been watching my videos that has to do with fruit, you will know that I'm a lover of pineapple and mango. So adding my pineapple puree, and then I added a tablespoon of my banana and apple, so just to make it a mixed fruit per popsicle. And this is my blueberry. You want to make sure your blueberry is well blended and all your fruits are well blended for a better consumption. I want to say a big thank you to all my returning subscribers. Mega shout out to you, my returning subscribers. And to you who just subscribed to this channel, just make sure you put on the notification bell. This will enable you get notified each time I upload a new video, and you can easily catch up to always watch when you have time. And if you haven't subscribed but you keep watching my videos, I say God bless you. Thank you, but I hope one day you make up your mind to subscribe. Thank you. And to all my membership, God bless you all. I appreciate you for keep supporting this channel. You keep me going in terms of revenue. And if you're watching my videos, I know we YouTubers don't say it in our video. If you're watching my videos, please don't skip my ad. Watch the ads, and the ads might be of something you're looking for, or something that might educate you, or something that might interest you. You never can tell. Just watch the ad and then continue watching the video. When you keep skipping, you will never know what ad is there for you on my video. Fam, are you looking for that channel that you want to be watching the latest Nollywood movies, Hollywood movies. Guys, check out this channel, Best Davis Show, and thank me later. Just take a look of this. It's not yet frozen, but it's so beautiful. The colors are so beautiful, right? Wow, my kids are definitely gonna love this. And the reason why I also love this popsicle mode is that it sits perfectly in any position of your freezer you put it, whether in the standard freezer or a deep freezer. It sits so well. So for my juice, I'm just gonna make use of my kids yogurt cup. So in case you don't have a popsicle mold, no problem, you can use any cup suitable for you. But for me, I'm gonna be using the kids yogurt cup, and I'm gonna be mixing this juice as well. You can choose to use your fruits for the popsicle, or you can, if you have juice or you have your own made juice or purchased juice, no problem, you can use it for your popsicles. So in case you don't have your fresh fruits, you can use your popsicles just the way you can use your juice just the way I am doing this. You can choose to make it a whole different flavor or different juice depending on what you want. So for me, I'm just gonna freeze these ones that I did, and I've already added some into the cup, and I'm going to freeze this for some minutes, or let's say less than an hour or so, and then I'm gonna bring it out from the I added some cucumber to the one that has to do with lemon juice, so that my kids will know that is for me. I had to put the cups in a plate to enable it, to make it, sit properly in the freezer, because this doesn't really sit like the way the popsicle mold does. So after freezing for less than an hour, I'm just adding my leftover juice, to make it different taste and different flavor. Let me just call it a rainbow, yes, to make it that rainbow popsicle. So at this moment, I will be putting it back into the freezer to freeze for 3 hours, and then it is ready. So off camera, I brought out the one I did with the mold popsicles, and I repeated with the mold popsicles and the steak with the extra juice and extra blended fruit puree that I had. So you want to make your popsicle freeze for at least 5 hours or 4 to 5 hours in between to get a good freezed popsicle. So we have come to the end of this video. Tell me you don't love the colors of these popsicles. Just tell me you don't love the colors. They are so beautiful, so attractive and healthy for both adults and young. So if you like this video and you have watched to this moment, I say God bless you. And if you like the video, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment at the comment section what you think about the video and what you like me to create or what you like to see on my channel. Until then, don't forget to stay blessed and stay safe as I preserve my popsicle in my zip bag. Yes, this is how I preserve my popsicles for easy consumption for the kids and to create enough space in my freezer. So I will just add them into my zip bag and just place them to sleep on my stand freezer where the frozen fruits are. This is the best access my kids can get to whenever they want popsicle and mama is busy doing something else, I can just ask them to go and they know where it is exactly. So until next video, bye. Mwah, 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 mwah. And before I forget, to you that has been sharing my video, oh my goodness, only God can reward you. May God grant you all your heart's desires that you've asked from Him. Bye.